Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I'm here to share my November How to Kill a Kit with Style with you all. As always, make sure you check out all the wonderful participants for this month down below. Every month a bunch of us get together, create a kit, and share throughout the month what we've created with that kit, and at the end show you what's left and everything we've created. And for the month of November we do have some new people joining, so make sure you check out all of those new faces down below. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you watch, because you don't want to miss out on all of the inspiration. Now for my kit for this month, I wanted to change it up. I had a huge kit for October with a bunch of Halloween and fall stuff, and while I'm not quite ready to get into Christmas, as I'm sure some of you guys might already be diving into, prepping for your December daily, whatever project you might be working on, I thought I would do a kit inspired by the Island of Misfit Toys, for example. I put together a mishmash kit, a hodgepodge, lost toys, a conglomerate of stuff. None of it goes together really. It's just a bunch of random stuff that I want to use and want to pull from during the month of November. Ideally we get some empties, ideally we open some new stuff and dive right in. But that's what I decided to do for this month, and I can't wait to share it with you. If you're interested in seeing my whole thought process of picking out all these items, I have that all over on Patreon for you guys to check out there. But let's dive in. I don't have a full sort of kit lineup where I have it in my big organizer. Instead, I got this bucket. I got a little bucket of fun goodies to share with you guys this month, and it's just an easier way for me to have it all in one place. I can pick it up, I can put it on the floor, get it out of my way, and also keep it right on my desk so I have an easy reference. So I have this little bucket full of goodies that we'll go through today. As you can see, we've already got some stuff in here. You can tell I've got some newer items, which this is from an upcoming haul you guys will see, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see what else I got in that haul. But this is the Hero Arts Hero Hues Unicorn Pigment Ink. I have had white inks before, but I've never had a full-sized ink pad, so I'm really excited to give that a go sometime this month on some project. I pulled in a couple washi tapes that are definitely neglected. So these are technically new to me. I don't think I've used either of them. I'm just kind of trying to check. Oh, this one I have ripped off at the very least, probably for a swatch. But these are two Jen Hadfield washi tapes, and they're just these cute little florals. Nothing too crazy, but would love to be able to use them on a project or two. And again, they're very cute, so might as well include them in the kit. I did pull in a couple 6x6 paper pads, but no 12x12 papers this time around. I have the 6x6 of the Hello Sunshine from Fancy Pants, which is really just some scraps and then a couple full sheets left. So this would be an awesome empty to get, but I'm not promising anything. We'll see where my kit takes me this month and what I want to scrapbook. And then I have the My Favorite Things Bundles of Blossoms in the pastel color scheme. So this one's all florals. Doodly florals with a bunch of different colors covering the entire rainbow. So I should be covered there to use it on any layout I please. Then we can dive into some of the sticker and embellishments, because I do have a ton of those. There's nothing more I love than mixing and matching embellishments together. So I decided to pull in something new here. This is from Crafter's Square, which is a Dollar Tree brand, and these are some 3D stickers, some travel stickers. So I thought this might be fun to use if I can get to some travel scrapbooking in the month of November. And as I mentioned previously, I will be sharing some vlogs in November from my trip out west, so maybe some pairing pages to go with those. So we'll have those sit over there. I did pull out some matching items here. So these are the Happy Days stickers, and I also happen to have the Happy Days ephemera grab bag. So both of these are a little bit used, but really fun color scheme. And here is everything that's in here. And I did find these at different Tuesday mornings, which is kind of funny, a while back. So I'm happy to have them to be able to use on some projects. I also pulled in one thicker set. This is the one from The Good Life, and it's very, very cute. Some icons, some title pieces. I think I can make this work on a bunch of different pages. Excited to have that in here. I do have one little odd man out, and it's this adorable bird paper clip that I found in my stash that I thought it'd be fun to try to use him on a page. I mean, how cute is that? Stinking cute. Then I have some LA Studio die cuts. These are the pop-out kind, which are really fun, but covering some of those brighter colors that I'd like to get in on. You know, obviously some of these are travel themed or outdoor themed. Obviously summer because it's a July themed pack, but should be fun to use nonetheless. I also did bring back the Heidi Swap Color Fresh Ephemera set, which I have used previously. As you guys know, I just used it a couple months ago. So I'm glad to have this back to dive back in because it was new to me. I had just opened it. So there's tons of stuff left in here that I was really excited to use but didn't get a chance to. So I'm really excited to have that refeatured this month. I also bought these last summer, and these are the summer charms that Creatology put out at Michael's. So just really bright and colorful. Again, if I do some vacation pages, I think these would be adorable. I wish I remembered how much I paid for them. I think they were $1 something, but really, really cute and bright, fun colors. Then I did include some paints this month. I don't know if I'll get back into mixed media. As you guys know, I did that mixed media sort of mini class here on YouTube. If you haven't seen that playlist, I'll have a link down below in case you're doing some mixed media fun in your scrapbooking journey. But I do have these beautiful colors. I was really drawn to this beautiful purple, which is in the shade Butler Magenta. And then of course I have a pale daffodil on the left. So both of these are, we got an apple barrel and a plaid brand. So really fun colors. Not sure if we'll get to them or how I'll use them, but they are here to try to be used at least. And then I did bring in a stamp set. So this I bought quite a bit ago. Mama Elephant had a moving sale. So I bought some stuff and I still haven't used this. And this actually has a New Year's sentiment in it. So hopefully I can do some Happy New Year's cards. I think that would be really fun. Maybe including the paint and the white ink. I don't know. We've got some ideas. So stay tuned for that one. And if you want to see more cards from me, please leave a comment down below. I'm always curious to see how many scrapbookers have made it into the card making realm and vice versa have come over to the scrapbooking realm. So I'd be really excited to hear from you guys on that one. Then I have an epoxy set from Scrap and Happy Studio, and this is her old packaging, I believe. I think she's rebranded, so if this doesn't look familiar, it's a little bit of an older set, but it's a title that says Love This Life, and I'll have all of these products linked down below for you guys, especially our small businesses. We love supporting small businesses, of course, so I'll have her shop linked down below, and I'll also have Chadney's Etsy shop linked down below where you can get some awesome wood veneer, and I know she's also expanded her selection, but I brought in this star pack because maybe I'll get some Harry Potter pages done, question mark, we'll see. I do have some to do. I also pulled in a new set of LA Studio chipboard icon stickers. I've never used their chipboard products before, so I'm super duper stoked to try to use some of these up. I think they're a little bit of a different vibe than some of the other things I have, and I've talked about this a lot before with illustration types and different ways graphic design can play into our choices for scrapbook layouts. So that'll be in some of my process videos explaining all of that. Similarly, we have the here and there puffy stickers from Crate Paper. Really love the travel theme stuff, it seems, so hopefully that'll work out well for me. Another odd and end, this is probably from like, I don't know, 2014 maybe. And these are some metal charms. So they're cat themed, which is perfect because I always scrapbook about my cats. But 50 cents was such a good deal. And a huge thank you to Big Lots, who used to have amazing deals on scrapbooking supplies. Let me know if you remember those days, and let me know if your Big Lot still does. I've been to several Big Lots since my Big Lot stopped carrying crafting supplies back then, but I have not found one that does carry like good crafting supplies, because they used to carry actual brands and things. But next up we have the Pink Paisley, Paige Evans whimsical puppy stickers. So there's some fun paint ones in here, so this would be fun if I use the yellow or purple paint to use these yellow and purple tubes. I don't know what photo I might want to pull for that one, but I did have that idea at least. And then this is actually another brand new item for me. It's been in my stash for a while, but this is the You Are Loved Illustrated Faith washi book. So on the back here you'll be able to see all of the different patterns that are in here. Again, lots of brights and pastels. So does it all coordinate? Maybe kinda, but it wasn't intentional in that coordination way, but I do have everything out and it kind of goes together. And then winding down for a couple last items, I brought in this old flare set from the Happy Place Fancy Pants collection, which, is there a year on this one? Most of the items I kept pulling out don't have a year, which I was really surprised to learn that that's not something they used to do. But just a couple flare left in there. I think it'd be fun to use those. And then my very last item is actually this Freckled Fawn Alphabet, which again I've had for a bit and just haven't used. But this teal color matched some of the other elements I had pulled out, especially the My Mind's Eye set here. As you can see, there's a lot of that deep blue teal color, so I thought that'd be a good pick to swap in. But that is it. My bin is now empty and my heart is full looking at all these fun supplies. So hopefully you guys are excited to see what I can create this month of November, pulling these in onto my layouts. My main goal is to just scrapbook however I want, because if I have Mojo, I want to expedite it and use it and then just pull in things here and there to start using up. So this is a great way to make a sort of focus kit, but not a full kit where you feel like you're either boxed in or have too many choices. This is just a fun embellishment thing to sort through and pull from throughout the month for me. So hopefully you guys are excited to see that. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever made a kit like this without the 12 by 12 paper or without a lot of decision making. Just throwing some cute stuff in a bin and seeing how it goes. Like I said, it is the island of misfit scrapbooking supplies. They don't go together, but they're all pretty and I will use them somehow. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the kit share. As always, check out all the other wonderful, lovely participants. That'll be linked down below in the description box. And if you have any questions, I'll try to have all of these items that are still available linked down below in the description box as well, so you guys can purchase them if you're interested. But I know a lot of them are a bit older, so I do apologize if I can't find anything close to a substitute. But I am super excited to start scrapbooking again, and October ended up being a really good crafty month for me. If you did not see that wrap-up video, definitely go back and check it out on my channel so you don't miss out on seeing where I've been and what I've been up to lately and why the pastels are kind of a big jump from where we were for the Halloween kit that we put together. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye, guys.